Introducing the 2021 Volvo Xc90 T8 Phev INS 5-door auto in sleek grey. This SUV is powered by a 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine and comes loaded with luxurious features like Bluetooth, satellite navigation and ambient lighting. Safety is top-notch with ABS, parking assistance and collision alert. Standout styling details include roof rails and LED lights. Rest easy, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie today for more information. Drive away in luxury and peace of mind with the Volvo XC90 T8 Phev INS 5-door auto.